Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. In this video you'll be seeing 4 saree designs, and these sarees are for party wear. These I did on the order work, and I take orders and teach online professional certificate courses. My details are in this video and below this video in description. For more information on art, do click the link of my website in the description below or in about in my channel. This is freehand painting roses on Mangalgiri green saree, and you can see the tutorial video in my channel for all the paintings which I have done on these sarees. I teach freehand painting, oils, acrylic, tanjore, 3D murals, 3D flowers, oregata flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, birds, faces and many more. Those interested can join my courses. I have freehand painting course book with notes and techniques. This is freehand painting chrysanthemum, which is on pink color Mangalgiri saree. You can see the pallu design and now the border designs. These are again stoke roses on pink color Mangalgiri saree. This is on the pallu. These are elephants of Ajanta on pure silk saree. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art techniques, tutorials, fashion and style. Keep watching. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.